It is the first day of packing. The movers will be here sometime this morning, and I've just been spending the last couple hours getting ready. My husband had to go to a PCS brief, so he knows exactly what he has to do in order to clear the post, meaning basically sign off with each of the offices, finance S1, CIF, which is where you get all of your gear, all those things. And I am working on all things getting this place ready for a mess, because that's just kind of what moving is right now. It is the next day because the moving company and I got our wires crossed, and it's actually today that they're coming to start the packing. So I thought I would take you along with me a little bit as I finish the preparations. It is currently 6:50 in the morning, and I'm just going around to make sure that everything is labeled accordingly, according to what I need them to leave for us and what I would like them to pack. And yeah, so come on.